Hi, my name is Abby Riches, and this is my site on how to create a book and be involved in a book exchange. This site focuses on a task I created for Year 5 Italian students. On this site, I share with you an overview of the task, how it aligns with the Australian curriculum standards, and how you can also use this task with your students. I had a lot of fun creating this activity, and I look forward to sharing my ideas with you. During this task, students will learn about Italian culture, values, and beliefs. They will then plan and create a book in Italian and English that will be involved in a book exchange with another school in Italy. I am starting off on my homepage, which covers most of what I just told you, but you can also see up the top that I have a project overview page, a project content page, an end product example page, and an about me page. So starting off, it's very basic. Buongiorno. Welcome to my page. Be involved in a meaningful learning book exchange that will engage and excite students with a hands-on experience. It then goes on to cover what I just told you about and why I created this site. Moving on to the project overview page. As you can see, I start off with a rationale of this task. I discuss why it is important for Year 5s and what benefits this task will provide the students. I move on to how the task aligns with the curriculum. As you can see, this task covers technology and Italian strands under the curriculum. Any keywords or codes have been hyperlinked to the curriculum site for further reference. Moving on to that, I have the meaningful learning framework, what it is, and then how each part has encompassed my task. The next page is the project content page. This is the page that is a look at the task and how you use it. I have included a copy of the task description I use, as well as the learning outcomes, the presentation space and audience, technology and end product. Further down, we have how the task can be split across lessons. Each lesson is based on a 1 hour long class and it covers the topic, learning objectives, resources, and then of course what you will do in the lesson. This goes on for about 7 lessons, all the same layout. At the bottom of the page, I have a copy of a rubric that I created for this task. This is free for use for anyone who may be interested. The next page is the end product example page. This just showcases an example of the end product that I created myself, similar to how the students' one will look. So the last page is just about me. It tells you who I am and simply how to contact me. Thank you for visiting my page, and I hope that you enjoy the task.